Hi everyone, this is John from Zoom, and I'm here to introduce you to our Q2N-4K handy video recorder. The Zoom Q2N-4K combines the unrivaled sound quality of the Q2N with an all-new camera to capture your performances in stunning 4K video. The Q2N-4K features Zoom's all-new camera system developed from the ground up for the highest quality video capture. Capable of recording in 720p, 1080p, or 4K UHD resolution, the Q2N-4K uses the same 24, 30, or 60 FPS frame rates used in film. The 150-degree wide-angle lens and f2.8 aperture make the Q2N-4K perfect for musicians who perform in a variety of lighting environments. Capture the full band or focus on an individual performer from a single camera position using 5 field of view settings. Plus, a color LCD screen makes it easy to frame the perfect shot and review your videos. All new scene settings let you record performances in a wide range of environments, including low light locations. The Q2N-4K's high dynamic range technology automatically adjusts the contrast of your video recording to capture the most detail. 12 scene presets allow you to record your performances in a wide range of environments, including outdoor, jazz club, concert lowlight, and flat. The Q2N-4K even features an auto scene setting which will detect your current lighting setting and select the appropriate balance for you. The Zoom Q2N-4K is small enough to carry anywhere, and its intuitive controls, simple one-button recording, and analog-style level control mean you're always prepared to record impromptu performances or new ideas. The built-in XY microphones capture sound with beautiful stereo imaging, and are capable of handling sound levels up to 120 dB SPL. This means you can record loud concerts without any distortion. Monitor your audio via headphones or an external audio amplifier with the Q2N-4K's 1/8-inch stereo output jack. To view your video recording in high definition, you can connect to an HDMI TV using the micro HDMI output. The USB port allows for connection to any computer or iOS device, so you can use the Q2N-4K as a web camera for live streaming to Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and more. It can also be used as a USB microphone with your iOS device, Mac, or Windows computer for mobile podcasting and music streaming, or as an SD card reader to transfer recordings to your computer. The Q2N-4K features auto gain functionality to automatically control input level, as well as a low-cut filter to eliminate low-frequency noise and rumble. The Q2N is also capable of recording audio only, in wave formats up to 24-bit 96 kHz. Simply use the camera off setting to capture demos or live performances in stereo sound using the built-in XY mics. The Q2N-4K frees creators from the 4GB file size limitation imposed by many SD cards. Although capable of standard recording to a micro SD HC card, the Q2N-4K also allows for up to 256 GB of unbroken recording to a micro SD XC card. The Q2N-4K can be powered by 2 standard AA batteries, AC adapter, or you can connect the BC Q2N to extend the battery life for long shoots. You can also connect a generic USB power bank to extend the battery life. The Q2N will use the external battery until depleted, then it will automatically switch to its AA battery power. The Q2N-4K package also includes a lens cover and lens hood. For more information on the Zoom Q2N-4K, please go to zoom-na.com.